blue color, yellow color, black color, red color, green color, and white color. Kids, now draw alphabets. And first you draw A. A for aeroplane. And here is blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. Kids, again use blue color and draw E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. Kids, again use blue color and draw G. G for goat. Kids, now draw H. H for helicopter. And use yellow color. Yellow color. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for king. L. L for lion. Kids, again use yellow color and draw M. M for moon. N. N for nose. Kids, now draw O. O for orange. And here is black color. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. Kids, again use black color and draw S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. Kids, now draw V. V for van. And U is red color. W. W for wallet. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Kids, again use red color and draw Z. Z for zebra. Red color, blue color, green color, black color, yellow color, and white color. Kids, now draw numbers. And first you draw 1. O and E1, and use red color. 2. T W 2. 3. T H R W 3. 4. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. It's 9 to 6. The numbers of 6, and here is blue color. S I X 6. 7. S E V E N 7. It's again use blue color and draw 8. E I G H T 8. 9. N I N E 9. 10. T E N 10. Kids, now draw 11. The numbers of 11, and here is green color. Kids, again use green color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. It's now 16. The numbers of 16. And here is black color. black color. 17, the numbers of 17. 18, the numbers of 18. 19, the numbers of 19. 20, the last numbers of 20. Red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now you draw alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. It's first you draw A. A for apple and use red color. B. B for ball. Kids, again use red color and draw C. C for cat. D. D for dog. Kids, again use red color and draw E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for God. Kids, again use red color and draw H. H for helicopter. I. I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J for jackfruit and use blue color. Blue color. K. K for king. L. L for lion. Kids, again use blue color and draw M. M for moon. N. N for nose. Kids, now draw O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Kids, again use blue color and draw Q. Q for queen. Kids, now draw R. R for rose and use yellow color. Yellow color. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. Kids, again use yellow color and draw U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for wallet. Kids, again use blue color and draw X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Kids, now draw numbers and first draw 1 and use black color. O and 1, 2. T. W 2, 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Kids, again use black color and draw 8. 9. 10. T, E and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.